what's up, Joe? Welcome back to Anomalous and Cherry doing Cup of Censorship. Yes, censorship. Oh boy. Here we go. Thick, suffocating, like words choked off before they can form. My throat tightens, my ribs part, but silence presses down, heavy and unrelenting. I feel something is changing. Yes? But to what regard? I see. When I thought censored, it was, you know what? Kind of suits what I was trying to think. Okay. Yeah, that is censored Haru. Here he is. Wait. Oh, did you see that? Look at her mouth right here. There's like a dark spots up here whenever she speaks. That's actually pretty nice detail with like hair and all that other shit. Alright, that is the Cup of Censorship. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for next video. Bye bye.